Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a TCL Tab and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's find the backup option and simply tap on add account. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. I've got it saved, so just let me tap on it. And a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol. So right now I have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so I'll stick with the first option. And here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Of course we can read it, just tap on it, and here we've got all the info. So let's tap on I agree after reading. And here we've got some info about the backup. So as you can see, you will be able to use 15 GB of Google account to backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Of course, you can tap on more details to learn more. Your device actually will backup the data automatically, will store it securely, and you will be able to manage the backup easily. So if you're ready, just tap on turn on. Also, if you will tap on not now, then after deciding that you want to backup the data, you will be transferred directly to this step, so you will not have to go through the whole operation of adding the account. So as you can see here, we've got the section with the account, the backup, the storage actually. So here you can check how much space you've got left. You can manage the storage, so for example remove some content. Here you can just tap on backup now, and thanks to this your device will back up your data. And here we've got the backup details, so you can check what was already backed up. Here we've got also the option the backup using mobile or metered Wi-Fi data, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off. It is because you will be sure that you will not be charged for using, for example, the mobile data and backing up. So actually this is it. This is how to enable Google Backup in your TCL Tab 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.